know where the hell this storm came from. Nice thunder. Obviously my gut instinct was one. Apparently there was a storm, but what happened was the development of this storm around the evening of 4 to 5 p.m. was very weak, and it dissolved, turned into heavy winds with a bit of some showers, and then a bit of the then in a few hours, would say probably around 8 to 9 p.m, developed into a nice storm with some nice lightning and a bit of some loud thunder. It's a good storm, and right now it is pretty cold, but I mean, I'm surprised that the storm went ahead despite its cold change. The weather temperature dropped down pretty quickly as well. So I kind of knew it would be a storm because of the hot temperature of 29 degrees with rain for a few hours and would stop, but I knew it would change into a storm. So yeah, pretty impressed with it, and I'm impressed that there was a storm in Sydney, New South Wales. I'm going to end the video for now, and thank you very much for watching. As always, have a good night.